Among the outstanding scholars in the graduating class, the faculty chooses the valedictorian to give the valedictory address at graduation. The criteria for selection are that the valedictorian exhibits a love of learning, unusual academic curiosity, and an outstanding record of achievement. This year's valedictorian is a scholar with a genuine love of learning who quickly transcended our math curriculum, was a leader in our Girls in STEM, and was a co-captain of the girls' tennis team. She's been involved with robotics, the Quiz Bowl team, and was the only girl to be on the boys' golf team. More recently, she's conducted research at the University of California, and she completed an independent study project in Latin in which she compared the poetry of two first-century Roman poets, Sulpicia, one of the few women poets of antiquity whose work has survived, and her contemporary Ovid, whose heroides portrayed mythic heroines, raising questions of authorship, genre, and male and female voice. As she has shared her intellect and research with the Viewpoint community, so we invite her to share her reflections today. Please welcome Julianna Hughes.
To the family and friends of the class of 2024, thank you for coming today, and thank you for everything you've done to support this class and help us get to this point. To the faculty and staff of Viewpoint School, thank you all for making our high school experience what it's been. You've given us so much, and you've shaped us into the people we are today. To my classmates, our world needs our help now more than ever. We are facing many problems that greatly threaten our planet and its species. But I have not given up hope. I believe that there is a better future, achievable and worth fighting for. My favorite quote is one by Winston Churchill. A pessimist sees the difficulty in every opportunity. An optimist sees the opportunity in every difficulty. I love it because it challenges me to be that optimist and see the best in the world. Being an optimist doesn't mean I'm ignoring reality or just hoping everything works out. It means I see a goal worth fighting for. It means I'm not going to back down when things get hard. It's not hoping for the best, but having hope that there is something better if we are strong enough to work for it. In a world full of problems, it's easy to be the pessimist. We have to choose to be the optimist and see past the troubles to a better future. But I believe that's worthwhile. People often question the point of school. Classes don't always seem to relate to the real world or prepare us for our future career. I believe that the value of education is found in both the material we're taught and in the skills and lessons we learn. We learn not what to think, but how to think, and every class serves a purpose to make our minds strong, well-rounded, and thoughtful. You may never need to take another derivative in math. I'll likely never need to hold a conversation in Latin. Yet we've become analytical and creative thinkers, problem solvers, and well-rounded people and citizens of the planet. We've learned how to think and approach our world, and those are the most valuable things we can know. Being the optimist is not just seeing what could be, but also what has been. Learning to appreciate what you've gained from experiences and how that can benefit you and those around you. Viewpoint places a strong emphasis on making its students world ready, and the education we've received is one of the strongest foundations I can imagine. For that, I'm grateful. We've finished high school, and now we'll take 110 different paths to 110 different places. I plan to become a physicist. I love it, and I believe that's my way of helping the world. I want to conduct research to develop clean, efficient, and widely accessible energy in order to protect the life on this planet and prolong our time here. To those who think that's far-fetched, I say that as the optimist, I can't not hope. I can't not do my part to help the world. With all that we've learned and all that we've gained, we are in a position to achieve greatness. Viewpoint supported us so that we don't just succeed, but excel in what we take on. But as we rise, who doesn't? As we do better, what gets worse? I believe that as a human being and citizen of this world, with the tools to accomplish amazing things, it is my responsibility to take on the challenges of our world and make it a better place for all. Because if not me, then who? If I do not use what I have been given to give back to this world, who will? Being the optimist doesn't mean I don't see the problems. It means I see potential solutions. Our world needs help, and our world needs hope. I believe everyone in this class has the ability to be the optimist and the potential to help our planet and our society. I urge you all to try. Find a cause that's important to you, something you can do to make this world better. What do you value? What better tomorrow do you envision? And how can you get us from here to there? As we take our 110 different journeys to our 110 different destinations, remember where you've been, what you have, where you want to be. And as you continue to discover opportunities for a better future, fight for them, because if we do not, then who will? Thank you.